Omukayo kwetomba itokwe Diana Mpeire abiri nashoborera ngo akasinga karuru nkonke kitongore kiri kuteza obururu kikahendera kirangirire Masika Nyesije owabira itine kigombe nko wasingira karuru ko kuba mujekero w'eminyeto aha karura kabakazo mu ishengero kandi cyamugemeserize kuzo mukoti arikushabangwa karura kagarakwemu. Omukayo enchwamuye aha mushango ngugu mwezi kuza kubasha ha mukagazekero omurohoima omuramuzi George Kunuhira aragishoborire ngu okugaruka mu karuru twabasika abo kugira ngo ballot box eyibire burumu esheme kuba yakozerweho. Omuramuzi Kunuhira ashoborire ngu bwanyuma yo kureba ebigenzere aha ballot box egi arikushoborera ngu ekibekeresero kugira ngo akaruru kagaruka mu kubarwa nikibasa butahikiriza amazima ahari akaruru katirwe nicyo kimugemeserize kwemereza akarura ko kutagarukwamo kandi yarangirira Masika Nyesije ngo wasingire akarura ko kandi yayongera yashaba ngo rabatahikirize kandi atasimire ncwamuye azum high court aze kujuriza.
Findings when put together, like I have already found, led the court to one conclusion that most likely the box was tampered with, and I got to that conclusion on was on a balance of probability. Yes, so this court believed on a balance of probability that the ballot box in question was tampered with.
Omuramuzi nuwomwe ayongere yashoborera ngo banyuma yo kwetegereza hamwe no kucondoza aha karura kana ballot box egi ashoborire ngu ballot box esheme kuba yakozerweho kandi kitamwikirize kugumiza no kugaruka mu kabara.
Where did ballot paper number 8 that was removed from the book or the stain go? Because it was not in the ballot papers. So this left a question in the mind of court on how the other serial number or the other ballot paper with the same serial number came into the box.
Omuramuzi nuwomwe ayongere yashoborera ngo omwe ombaritani officer ahire cyo kureberaho arakugira ngo serial number za series ya ejonisibwe omukutera karuru zikahandikwa kandi zanagwa ombox ni yemwe konka bwanyuma yo kujigura tabarazishangiremo ekikira aha nkomero yo kugira ngo ballot box egi ekakorwamo. Omuramuzi nuwomwe ayongere yashoborera ngo za serial numbers zimwe zibire zitine hizi kushangwa kandi zitari kushana nezo ezibe ziri mu ballot box. Obira rupurida wa Kanyesije Masika Kanso Asuman Basarirwa asimira omuramuzi ahabwo kutaho buringaniza omushango ngugumwe.
We welcome the ruling of court that has discovered the tampering and therefore ordered that the recount should not take place. It has been very painstaking. It has been very tiring. We've been here literally the whole day.
Kanso Asuman Basarirwa hayongere yashoborera ngo betebekanise ku cyarenginga buri kimwe cyona ekere yabijomisho.
Electoral college votes are the easiest to ascertain. You are going into an election when you actually know the number of votes you are going to get. So coming here really was a wastage of our time, and court has actually been lenient.
Kandi we Prida Brian Cooper bihayo obira Prida wa Diana Mpeire hagizire ngo utayikirize nebishazirwemu kandi baza kuzoma high court yo kwenda kujuruza.
The court was presuming that what was printed is different from what is in the books. In the printing process, a number can be repeated. You can have 34 two times. Now, for the court to presuppose that that was tampering, that was totally wrong. The court had no power to do that audit.
Bwanyuma yebyona Masika Nyesije owarangirirwe kuba no yasingira karuraka kandi okujwekera eminyeto ahantebe yabakazo mu ishengero asimire abahagize bibono kwemerana wo mukiraka kandi yashaba iminyeto mu ihanga ryona okwatanisa no kukorera hamwe okwenda kwetungura.
Njagala okukola omukisa guno kwebaza abavubuka abampa obukulembeze era ne batambula nange baseho emirundi ebikuba abavubuka bakazi Eastern Uganda Central batravelinge bajje e Hoima okuwuliriza omusango so mbebaza.
Gashakwa Gada Saba habwa Tayari West Omuro Hoima.